Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Kim with Creative Crafticality, and today I wanted to show you this cute little mini craft cart that I made for a swap on the Loaded Envelopes Galore and More Facebook group. I haven't sent this out. I don't know who my partner is yet, but I just wanted to show you what I made. Super cute, and it looks complicated, but it really wasn't complicated. The base of it was pretty simple, just mainly boxes and rectangle pieces of paper that you fold and glue, which is a lot of what paper crafting is anyway. But I didn't have to use an SVG file on my Cricut or anything like that. You can use just your paper trimmer and scoreboard. And I will put the link down below for the tutorial that I used. It was from Christiane's Crafty Adventures here on YouTube, and she has a really fun tutorial that shows you how to make this, and then you just take it and embellish it. You can use whatever paper collection you want with some cardstock and just make it super fun. So what we were to do for this swap was make the cart and then fill it with embellishments. And so I decided to use a paper pad. I believe it was from last year. It's a hot buy called Mint to Be. I love this paper pad. I'm so into the lemon theme right now. If you didn't see my last Dollar Tree haul or shop with me, I'm going to be doing the Dollar Tree Junk Journal Challenge with Paper Terrace here on YouTube, and I've decided to go with a lemon theme. So I have made this before that, and I just wanted to extend my lemon goodness throughout the summer. So this is super cute. I used wooden beads on the bottom and painted them yellow to make the little wheels, or to mimic the wheels. On the sides, I made some bows. These are bow dies, and they're little pockets on the sides, and I used a die that I had that was mason jars and just made a couple embellishments that stick in the sides. And on the other side, I did the same similar embellishments. On the back, there's the little cart handle that you use to roll your little craft cart around. I made a paper tassel there and embellished it with the paper collection. Made some flowers with the papers. I also used some like a mint colored craft paper, not craft paper, but cardstock and yellow cardstock. Then on the front flap, I used some of the paper collection with some ribbon. This was a die cut piece from the collection, and then more flowers. And I have a magnet in here that I covered up with paper, and there's a magnet in this part of the front here. This is a little pocket down inside there that I just added some punches and rhinestones and some trim. So that just fits in that little section. And then inside, I have some fun embellishments. I have a little tag here that I made a couple more of the bows. And then I cut apart some of the pieces from the collection and just tied them up with some fun chenille yarn. And then in here, I made some embellishments there. I used a Creative Memories scalloped square punch and just layered them with some of the cut aparts from the collection and some trim butterflies and flowers and little rhinestones. Inside here, there are two pockets, two little boxes that make up the inside. In the second section, I made 2 note cards with envelopes. And I'm sitting this on its side. It normally sits like that, but wanted you to be able to see the front. So this one is this. This size is like a little, I think it's like 4 by 5 or something like that. I just wanted it to be able to fit in there, so I just kind of altered the size. So I used some of the paper collection for the base and then layered some green, and then this was a cut apart, and then added some flowers there and some ribbon, and it's just plain on the inside. And then I made the envelope out of this paper from the collection. And then this one I used another cut apart, this really lovely bicycle. I added ribbon there, layered it on top of some yellow paper, added rhinestones in the corners, and then some flowers down here. And this one is on this paper as the base, and then the envelope is the little daisies. So that is what I made for this swap. And I also, if you didn't notice, on some of my flowers, I'm excited because I've seen people use the Wink of Stella glitter marker, and I don't know if you can see that, but I used it on my flowers. So, you know, the little things that make you happy. Oh, and I added some pom-pom trim along the bottom, so that was really cute. Alright, so if you liked this video, give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment, and subscribe, and I will see you again next time. This is Kim with Creative Crafticality. Bye. God bless.